Aircraft stringers are one of the most important structural components of an aircraft. Although they are often hidden beneath the aircraft's skin, stringers play a critical role in maintaining structural strength, rigidity, and aerodynamic shape. Without stringers, modern aircraft would not be able to withstand the various loads experienced during takeoff, flight, turbulence, and landing. Stringers are long, slender structural members that run longitudinally along the fuselage, wings, and other aircraft structures. They work together with frames, bulkheads, ribs, and the aircraft skin to create a strong yet lightweight airframe. What are aircraft stringers? Aircraft stringers are longitudinal reinforcing members attached to the inside of an aircraft's skin. They extend along the length of the structure and help distribute loads throughout the airframe. In the fuselage, stringers run from the nose section toward the tail. In wings, they extend from the wing root toward the wing tip. Their primary purpose is to strengthen the skin and prevent buckling when subjected to compressive or bending loads. Key characteristics: longitudinal structural members, lightweight yet strong, usually made from aluminium alloys, titanium, or composite materials attached to aircraft skin and frames. Essential part of semi-monocoque construction. The fuselage experiences various forces during flight, including tension, compression, bending, torsion, pressurization. Load stringers help carry these loads while maintaining the shape of the fuselage. How they work: the aircraft skin carries part of the load, while stringers reinforce the skin and prevent deformation. Frames provide the circular shape of the fuselage, and stringers connect these frames longitudinally. Together, they form a semi-monocoque structure that combines strength and lightweight construction. Aircraft stringers in wings. Wing stringers provide additional support to the wing skin and help resist bending forces generated during flight. When an aircraft produces lift, the wings bend upward. This creates compression on the upper wing surface, tension on the lower wing surface. Wing stringers help distribute these loads efficiently and prevent structural failure. Benefits in wings: increased structural rigidity, reduced skin buckling, improved fatigue resistance, enhanced load distribution, lower overall aircraft weight. Omega stringers are commonly used in advanced composite structures. Advantages: superior stiffness, reduced weight, excellent fatigue performance. Materials used for aircraft stringers: aluminium alloys. Most commercial aircraft use aluminium stringers because they offer high strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, easy manufacturing, cost effectiveness. Titanium stringers are used in high-performance aircraft because they provide exceptional strength, high temperature resistance, excellent durability. Composite materials: modern aircraft increasingly use carbon fiber composite stringers. Benefits include lower weight, improved fuel efficiency, better fatigue resistance, reduced corrosion. Stringers in semi-monocoque construction. Most modern aircraft use semi-monocoque construction. The main structural elements include skin, stringers, frames, bulkheads, longerons. Structural load sharing: skin carries shear loads. Stringers resist longitudinal loads. Frames maintain shape. Bulkheads support major structural sections. Longerons provide major longitudinal strength. This combination creates a highly efficient structure capable of handling flight loads while minimizing weight. Common stringer damage: aircraft stringers can experience damage due to corrosion. Moisture and environmental exposure may cause corrosion, especially in older aircraft. Fatigue cracks: repeated loading cycles can create cracks over time. Impact damage: ground equipment, bird strikes, or maintenance errors can damage stringers. Buckling: excessive loads may cause localized deformation. Inspection and maintenance: aircraft maintenance technicians regularly inspect stringers using visual inspections, borescope inspections, eddy current testing, ultrasonic testing, dye penetrant inspection. Regular inspections help identify damage before it becomes a serious structural issue. Stringer repairs: when damage is discovered, technicians may perform stop drilling of cracks, reinforcement, repairs, section replacement, structural patch installation. All repairs must comply with aircraft manufacturer maintenance manuals and aviation authority regulations. Importance of aircraft stringers: aircraft stringers provide numerous benefits. Increase structural strength, prevent skin buckling, reduce aircraft weight, improve fatigue life, support aerodynamic shape, enhance safety, distribute flight loads efficiently. Without stringers, modern aircraft would require much thicker skins, resulting in significantly higher weight and reduced fuel efficiency. Aircraft stringers are essential longitudinal structural members that reinforce the aircraft skin and help distribute loads throughout the airframe. Found in both fuselages and wings, They work alongside frames, bulkheads, ribs, and longerons to create the strong, lightweight semi-monocoque structures used in modern aviation. From preventing skin buckling to improving fatigue resistance and maintaining aerodynamic shape, aircraft stringers are a critical component of aircraft safety, performance, and efficiency. Understanding their design and function provides valuable insight into how modern aircraft achieve the remarkable balance of strength and lightweight construction required for flight. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.